Looking to receive email notifications when you get a direct message on X, Twitter, using your PC? Let's walk through the steps to enable this feature. Start by clicking on your profile image located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Next, navigate to and click on Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. Within the Settings menu, find and select Email Notifications from the Activity Related to You and Your Tweets section. Ensure to check the box next to You're Sent a Direct Message. Once you have selected this option, remember to click on Save Changes to apply the new settings and ensure that your preferences are saved. By following these steps, you can easily set up email notifications to receive alerts when you receive a direct message on X, Twitter, using your PC. Stay connected and engaged with your Twitter conversations, ensuring you never miss important messages. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials to enhance your social media experience.